33rd Southeast Asian Games. Shots ulit at Dr. J. Andy Howe bringing you the action. Gilas Pilipinas, ang una nating kalaban is Malaysia. And we're only up by 11 points.
Well, we're only 3 in our group, but obviously sila ang the top 3.
Meron talagang issue tong week dito. Ayaw talaga tumanggap ng bola.
There was
A whistle.
for 2 or 3 good games. So that's the most important thing. And for him to get this confidence.
Lee will attack again. The fearless guard of Malaysia misses. It's Ravenna now leading the break para sa Pilipinas. 30. Does not get involved in free throws for Ravenna.
Yan, magaling talaga mag-initiate ng foul ito. Tama yun. Pag dumating ka ng 6-7 doon, 5-10, dati 2 o'clock yung flight dito sa Pilipinas. Dadating ka doon 5:30.
Pati yung flights, Doc, memorize mo ba?
I've been to Thailand a lot of times.
So, he's not unfamiliar with Philippine basketball.
Saka medyo marunong. Para ka maglaro asa tayo. Nice pass.
Alonso muscles his way in.
Kung makaka-pass break lang ito, pakikitaan tayo ng dump.
Yan ang inaabangan ng mga Pinoy dyan sa bangko. Strong attack. It's a foul on Crafter.
Maayos rin of minutes for this team because they don't have real centers.
Take miss. And that's tapped out by Malaysia. Magiging bola ng Gilas Pilipinas. Like you said, Doc, tumaas naman yung shooting percentage natin, but we were missing a lot of makeable shots. Some of them super easy, pero hindi pumapasok. But our free throws have been very efficient and we've been going to the line a lot. Ito nga, si Era.
International referee accreditation. They have a lot of programs that they go through every year.
FIBA, of course, on top of all of this.
But the rules of Thailand is not the FIBA rules. I mean, I'm not talking about the referees or the game itself. Yung meron silang house rules rin. Kaya nga yung mga ibang player natin, hindi pinayag maglaro. Katulad ni JT.
And as much as it's frustrating, Doc, we also understand na gano'n naman talaga ang SEA Games, di ba? Nag-iikot ka ng host, and may certain power ang host to even yung mga pag-determine ano yung mga sports na
Doon dinadagdag mo yung game na talagang lamang ka para mas madami ka
Yeah.
gold medal.
And we also had that
Yeah,
privilege
yeah,
back
yeah.
in 2019. We will also have that privilege again kapag tayo na ulit ang host.
Oh, nice play here. Tignan natin kung makatapos tayo dyan ng basket.
They opt for a three, and it goes!
Money, napakayong na Pilipino. Si Miss Nation pa. Berto! 16 points na ang lamang natin dito.
So,
Back to the biggest lead natin,
That's
di ba?
right.
16 yata ang biggest lead natin.
gusto pa nga nila, madagdagan yan. Mark shadowing Tin Chun Hong.
Galing talaga ito.
Oh, yeah.
Crossover.
He has been a thorn on Gilas Pilipinas' defense.
And that's a good foul. Push it when you put your...
Back to the action of men's 5-on-5 basketball sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games. Alonso hits a three as well.
Kaya pag nagtatama yung mga players na alam natin may 3-point shooting, it'd be hard for teams to play zone in us. Because we know how to get the ball to the shooters.
And now, Doc, this is the new biggest lead
Yeah.
of Gilas Pilipinas.
17.
Susubukan ni Ting si Park sa poste. And another turnover for Malaysia. A foul called on them.
Ito ang slight advantage mo kay Bobby Ray. He can play like a PG also, a point guard. Because he dribbles well and he looks at the floor quite... Hindi natin nakuha sa offensive rebound niya, but bad pass.
Calling ang nakakuha. Working a two-man game with Era. They force the switch. A smaller lead guarding Era, but now Wally has speed advantage.
Bumalik ang dami layup. Sino makakalaban mo on the crossover?
I guess it's a significant advantage din talaga dito sa Group A na tatlo lang kayo because you play one less game.
Although I think sa Philippines, we could use a lot more workouts. Mas maraming kalaban. Okay naman ang bench natin. We can go all the way up to the end and still use those players. Especially against some of the weaker teams. This is the biggest lead of the ball game shot. 20.77-57. 3-point shot.
That's not gonna go. Marks with a board.
Marks has done everything here. They're really calming type of veteran. Relax, boys.
He has the ball now. Ray says, excuse me to the defense.
Siya hindi nagmimitis na masyado mga layup because he, like 30, he also has the ability to glide and hang in the air. Oh. Foul by Bolik. Pag nagdalawang panalo tayo top dito, medyo magpapahinga tayo talaga. That's easy, you know. That's easily broken there. If you do it that way, nabukasin tayo. Pagka sa middle, madali rin.
By the way, Doc, as Starks misses and Nagpanobi chases that board, we also want to remind everyone na naglalaro din ang Alas Pilipinas women right now. Their volleyball match against Vietnam. Unfortunately, Vietnam ang nakauna in terms of set. We're down 0-1. Oo.
Go 3 in a row, you know.
Ang dami pa po nating mga atleta na maglalaro in the 33rd Southeast Asian Games. And while I know may mga paborito tayong sport,
Yeah.
sana po lahat ng mga atletang Pilipino ay masuportahan natin. Let's show them some love because hindi biro, Dok, di ba, yung sakripisyo na daanan ng mga atleta.
Kaya ito one of our biggest contingents overseas, no? And alam mo naman itong ating station dito. Ang dami nating program channels.
Oh yeah.
So marami kayong mapapanood ko ano yung mga paborito nyo. Just,
Kung hindi man na madala yan sa inyo live, of course, that's always the goal. We want to bring you the live action as much as we can. Pero sisiguraduhin po namin we keep you updated sa mga nangyayari.
so down to under 2 minutes left. Tuloy pwede na pahingayin itong mga bata natin. Ayun. 2 free throws na naman si third
That's
dito.
right.
That's katulad yan. Ito mo, gusto talaga may iniisip siya, may papasahan ako eh. Kaso this year, lilipat ko naman sa another team. Galing yan. But he's still young.
Ako, I'm excited to see what he does with this new team. But we have to say we were impressed by number 27 of Malaysia.
Yeah. You can see na.
Time na talagang his name was being thrown around.
Yeah.
Yung mga gusto makita ng mga Pilipino in the men's Gilas team. And finally, it has happened here in the Southeast Asian Games.
Oh, that's an offensive foul. Clear as day.
Dito na rin nahirapan na.
Malamang nila nawala. Napura.
Tapos nanalo na naman yung Malaysia ng third quarter.
Yeah, but then, ito, it's not that they didn't have enough players to keep up. Just didn't execute well.
Well, I'm hoping, Doc, na Gilas Pilipinas gets off to a better start than against Vietnam. Sana na pagpagka natin yung rust that you're mentioning, yung Eagle.
I would think so. But the big thing is Bobby Kemas. You have to have a player like that that can keep you in the game. You know, that you don't panic when you're down. Manzano missing that shot at a nice assist pa sa kanyang teammate. Just 1 or 2 more plays for us. Philippines doesn't have to shoot anymore, but they have to get to the line. Hindi pwede yan. May 8-second violation yan. Hindi pinituhan ng referee. That was a clear 8-second violation.